How to create product pictures with AI for free. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can create product pictures with AI. Now, in the ever-changing world, it's very essential that now you have a social media presence, a online presence, and for that you need a good profile. And a good profile includes some amazing images of your product. So it's become a very essential point where you have to market your product online. However, hiring a photographer, getting someone to do an entire photo shoot with your product, only for that photo shoot to be something that is going to be replaced in a couple of months when there's a new trend and you would need a new photo shoot, or you would just want to create a different image for your business. So that can be a bit difficult and it's a bit complicated to do and it's so costly. However, with AI, all of that can be simplified. And in this particular tutorial, I'll be using Flare AI. So Flare AI lets you get started for free. They have a plan where you can choose to purchase credits, or you can go with the Pro plan, which is $10 a month, and you get unlimited designs. However, if you are just looking to do this for your product pictures, you will get 100 designs per month. So when you have 100 designs per month, you'd really never have to upgrade to a more premium version unless you're doing this for like 50 different businesses. If it's only for one or two businesses, then you can easily do that for free on Flare. Now, to get started with Flare AI, simply head on over to flare.ai and click on Get Started for free. Once you do that, you can choose to sign up with your email address or continue with Google over here. I'm going to continue with Google to make my sign up a bit easier. And once you do that, that is it. That's all you have to do. Now, you guys will see this is going to be your direct dashboard. There's no onboarding, there's no 50 different buttons that you will have to navigate through. It's very simple and very easy. On the left, you have projects and API. On the top, you have two options, photography projects, and then you also have fashion projects. Now, after that, on the top right, you will have your basic account and logout. So you're going to click on create a new project over here. And once you do that, you have to upload your image. So to do that, click on assets on the top left. And once you click on assets, you're going to click on upload product photo from where you will upload your product photo. For us, let's say it's this perfume, and I'm going to click on upload. Now, for your product photo, just keep it as simple as possible. And what I'm going to do is a pink perfume bottle. Yeah. And I'm going to click on continue over here. Now, this is our product. Now, a lot of people do complicated product images and upload those over here. You want to keep it as simple as possible. That is the way to go, because once you have clear edges, a clear image of your product, it can easily generate any kind of image for your particular business. Now, one thing to note with Flare is that if you want a consistent design, so a pink perfume bottle, let's say we have a few different templates, and you can even go into the editor over here to choose what kind of product surrounding you want it to be. So let's say I want it to be lying on flowers. Let's say I want it to be lying on flowers like this and surrounded by or next to a woman. And then in the background, I don't want anything, so I'll just remove that. And after that, I can also insert a reference image if there's something similar to my idea that I already have, or there's anything present on the internet that is similar. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that with Flare, if you're looking for a consistent product image, so if you're looking for product images that are in the same aesthetic that you can use for your social media campaign or your social media business visualization, then it can be a bit difficult to curate those, because sometimes even with a similar prompt, Flare is not going to give you very consistent results unless you put in a very detailed prompt, which you can do. However, still keep in mind that your prompt is going to be the same, however, results can be varied. Now, I'm going to size my image according to the context I want it to be placed in. So I'm going to size it to this size. And once we have done that, we can click on generate. And that is all you have to do. So now it is generating our image, and that is all you have to do to build a product picture. Now, a lot of people wonder, hey, if it doesn't derive consistent results, is it really effective? Well, a lot of brands nowadays, they need it for a magazine, they need it for a particular collection, a particular photo shoot style is trending. So you can do all of that with Flare, and it has generated quite a nice image. It's beyond my expectations. So it looks really nice. I don't like the moss present beneath the perfume. So I can go on ahead and go with the same prompt. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with the same product image we have and lying on flowers next to a woman. I think it's having difficulty generating people currently, so I am going to add surrounded by roses, and instead of flowers I'm going to make it more specific to roses surrounded by lavender. And I can go on ahead and insert another prompt. So I can put in placement, I can put in surrounding, I can put in background, and I can put in custom as well, where you can add your own customized prompt. So if there is anything you would like to enter, you can insert that in the custom prompt as well. And then we are going to go with generate. Now we're doing pretty much the same thing again. So we are just letting it generate a similar image. Instead of generalizing with flowers, I've made it a bit more specified in this particular prompt, but the rest of the prompt is pretty much the same. And let's see what kind of results that the Flare AI will generate for us. Now, this is especially better when you use one of their pre-existing templates or their default searches that they give you, the default options. If you go with one of those, your image will be excessively good simply because it is going to be a lot more consistent. Now, I really like this image. However, one thing to note is that the image over here, I think the bottle is looking a bit too pink. So I can easily do some color correction on my own as well. However, if you click on the newly generated image in Flare AI, you can even go on the left panel over here and you have a few different tools. So you have color tools, you have tinting tools, magic erase tool, background removers, and then image variations. So let's say I want to generate image variations and I want the strength to be default, so that's a medium strength, and I'll just click on generate, where it will generate a similar version of the images, and I can have a consistent aesthetic built for my Instagram posts, for my social media posts, for my website posts in my business. So let's just wait for the types of images that it will generate. And our images have now been generated. It has pretty much generated a similar image. However, this time it has included a bit more of a different view to the image. However, if I want something that's a bit different, I can go with a different level of similarity where I can choose to create a weak similarity where the image, the overall image positioning or image prompt would remain the same, and it would derive the idea from the initial image. However, it wouldn't be an exact replica. And in this way, you can get started with generating any kind of product pictures for your business for free. These are highly, highly customizable and can be used in any kind of campaign, promotion, sale, or editorial. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. And if there's anything else you'd like to know, or if there's anything that I left out in this video, then make sure to leave that in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.